In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync chart drawings in TradingView. If you use multiple charts or switch between different layouts, syncing your drawings keeps your analysis consistent everywhere you need it, so you don't have to redraw lines, zones, or notes over and over. Start by opening TradingView. You can use the web version in your browser or the desktop app. The process is the same. Once TradingView is open, head into any chart. It doesn't matter which symbol you choose to start with. This setting applies to how drawings behave going forward across your layouts. On your chart, look for the gear icon, which opens chart settings. You'll usually find this gear near the top of the chart area or within the chart toolbar. Click it to bring up the settings window. This is where TradingView lets you fine-tune how your chart looks and behaves, including how drawings are saved and shared across layouts. Inside the chart settings window, go to the Symbol tab. The Symbol tab controls behavior specific to the instrument you're viewing and related features. Here, you'll find the option that handles drawing synchronization. Locate the setting labeled Sync Drawings Across Layouts, or depending on your version, Sync Drawings Globally. The naming can vary, but the intent is the same. It ensures your annotations appear consistently wherever they should within your layouts. Turn that setting on. If you see Across Layouts, it focuses on multi-chart layouts and different layouts within your workspace. If it's labeled Globally, it aims to apply more broadly across your layouts so your drawings stay consistent as you move around your workspace. Either way, enabling this ensures that when you add a trend line, a support or resistance zone, or text on a symbol, that same annotation carries over to other charts of that symbol within your layouts. When you're done, click OK to save and close the settings window. From now on, your drawings will sync based on the option you enabled. This is especially helpful if you compare the same symbol in different time frames or across multiple panels, because your annotations will be mirrored automatically, reducing repetitive work and the chance of missing a key level. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. Remember that drawings are tied to the symbol, so annotations on one ticker won't appear on another. If you ever want to keep certain sketches local to a single chart, you can come back to this setting and toggle it off temporarily. That's it. Your charts are now set up to stay consistent, organized, and ready for efficient analysis.